Welcome. In today's quick guide, we're going to walk through the simple steps to turn off Vibrate for the recommendations from X notifications on the X app. If you've been getting those extra vibrations every time a recommendation pops up and you want a quieter, more distraction-free experience, this guide will show you exactly how to fix it. Let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. This is where all the controls for your apps and notifications are managed. Next, tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device, so you can adjust how each one behaves. From there, find and select the X app. This will bring you to the app's information page, where you can see storage, permissions, and, more importantly, its notification settings. Once you're on the X app's page, tap on Notifications. This area is specifically designed to let you fine-tune how you receive alerts from the app. Inside the Notifications menu, tap on Notification Categories. This is where things get more detailed. The X app breaks its alerts into different categories, allowing you to decide how you want to handle each one individually. Here, look for Recommendations from X. This is the category responsible for those suggestion alerts the app sends you from time to time. Now, tap on it to open its settings. Inside this section, you'll see a toggle for different options. To stop the vibration, simply toggle off the Vibrate option. And that's it. From now on, you'll still receive recommendation notifications if you allow them, but your phone will remain silent, no vibration. This can help keep your device from buzzing unnecessarily, while still keeping you in the loop. Taking a few moments to customize your notifications can make a big difference in keeping your phone less distracting and more tailored to your preferences. If you ever change your mind, you can always go back into those settings and toggle the option again. Thanks for following along.